The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ponta, or 7 miles northeast of Rusk, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rusk, New Salem, Ponta, New Summerfield, Gallatin, Reclaw, Lakeville, and Bratchfield. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in Shreveport, La. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for a portion of northeast Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Cherokee and Rusk.